Traditional advertising is starting to lose its impact. Every day we scroll past hundreds of ads, product photos, and promotional videos without remembering any of them. The brands that actually stand out today aren't simply selling products, they're selling a feeling. That's why more and more marketers are talking about something called vibe marketing. Instead of asking, how do I advertise this product? The better question is, how do I make people instantly feel something when they see my brand? Recently, I've been exploring Fotor's new vibe marketing platform, and I think this idea is much bigger than another AI image generator. The goal isn't just creating attractive visuals, it's building an entire visual identity that feels premium from the very first impression. So let's imagine I'm launching a premium reusable water bottle, and I want to build a complete marketing campaign around it. The workflow actually starts with smart AI listing. Within a few moments, I already have a clean professional product listing that immediately looks more polished than the original product photos. It's a simple feature, but it's a good starting point because it gives the campaign a strong visual foundation. After that, I use the product image editor to refine some of the images. A few adjustments to the lighting, composition, and product presentation make a noticeable difference. Again, this isn't the exciting part of the workflow, but it's the kind of polish that helps everything feel more premium before moving on to the creative stages. Now, this is where things become much more interesting. The first feature that really caught my attention is virtual model. Creating lifestyle product photography usually means finding models, renting locations, organizing a photo shoot, and spending a significant amount of money. Here, I simply place my product into different premium environments with AI-generated models. Within minutes, the same water bottle suddenly feels like it belongs to an established luxury brand instead of a simple online listing. What impressed me most wasn't just how realistic the images looked. It was how consistent they were. Every scene follows the same visual language, making the entire campaign feel professionally art-directed instead of randomly generated. The next feature builds on that idea even further. UGC Avatar focuses on one of the biggest trends in modern marketing. User-generated content consistently performs better because it feels natural and authentic rather than obviously promotional. Instead of filming multiple creators yourself, you can generate AI avatars that present your product in a way that feels native to platforms like TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube Shorts. The result doesn't look like a traditional commercial. It looks like the type of content people are already watching every day. For brands trying to scale content production, that's a huge advantage because you can maintain a consistent identity while producing different styles of content for different audiences. The final feature is probably the one that ties everything together. Once I already have premium product images and lifestyle content, I don't need to start over for video production. Using Fotor's product video generation, I can transform those static visuals into short promotional videos almost instantly. This is particularly useful because modern campaigns rarely stop at images. Every product launch needs short videos for social media, advertisements, landing pages, and promotional posts. Instead of rebuilding everything from scratch, the existing visual assets become dynamic marketing videos while preserving exactly the same aesthetic. That's what I think makes this workflow different. Each feature naturally builds on the previous one. You start with polished product visuals, expand them into premium lifestyle photography, create authentic social media style content with AI avatars, and finally turn everything into video advertisements without breaking the visual consistency. To me, that's what vibe marketing actually means. It's not about generating random AI content faster. It's about creating an entire visual identity that feels coherent from beginning to end. AI has already made content creation accessible to almost everyone. Creating another attractive image isn't enough anymore. The real challenge is making every piece of content feel like it belongs to the same brand. That's exactly what this workflow is designed to accomplish. If you'd like to try it yourself, you can use my invitation code through the invite page linked in the description or comments. After entering the code, you'll receive a 50-point bonus that you can use immediately to start exploring the platform. After spending time with Fotor, my biggest takeaway isn't that AI can generate beautiful images. We've seen that from many different tools already. The interesting part is how quickly one simple product idea can become an entire premium marketing campaign with consistent branding across images, social content, and video. And in today's market, that consistency may be one of the biggest competitive advantages a brand can have.